This video shows how to install Yanhua VOLVO CEM 24 interface board. This interface board supports 2023 and 2024 VOLVO S60, S90, XC60, etc. The interface board is specifically designed for the SPC5748G chip model CEM. 1. Push the lock fastening of the interface board to the unlock position. Find the interface board installation area on the CEM according to the visual positioning mark on the interface board. 2. Align the interface board with the CEM socket and align with the two positioning holes. 3. Press the interface board downward with your fingers, push the PCB lock buckle to the locked position to lock the interface board. Installation is done. Yanhua VOLVO CEM interface board has the advantages of compact size, precise pin positioning, easy installation, pin connection is firm and stable, not easy to loosen, and safe for data reading and writing. Thank you for watching.
Go to cell phone or PC ACDP app. Make sure the device ID is on the top right corner. Click Volvo icon. Choose IMMO. Choose S60 2022. Click Read CEM Data by ICP. Choose SPC5748G VOLVO 24. Click OK. Click OK. Pin detect all good. Click OK. Start to read CEM. Click OK. Downloading CEM file. Click OK. Click OK. Read CEM password finish.